Sandakphu, which has an elevation of 3636 meter, is the highest point in West Bengal. People from different regions come to visit this place. Besides, it is also famous for a beginner level trek. If you want to start your trek journey, Sandakphu can be the one. Though some people visit this place by car, there is a roadway which will lead you to Phalut. It is 3 hours journey from Mani Bhanjan, which is known to be the base camp of this trek. It may look like a pleasant journey from a car seat, but it is not the case.
हेलो गाइस, तो अभी रात का टाइम हो रहा है
10:30
और हम आ चुके हैं हम लोग शियालदा स्टेशन। इधर से हम लोगों का रात 11:20 पे हम लोगों का ट्रेन है।
The journey started a few days ago. If you want to visit Sikkim, North Bengal or Duars, you need to pass through Shiliguri or NJP. Shiliguri is known as the gateway of Northeast India. This time, we took the railway route. Almost 10 hours later, we reached NJP station from Shialda.
गुड मॉर्निंग। अभी हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं न्यू जलपाईगुड़ी NJP स्टेशन पे। अब टाइम हो रहा है 9:35। ज़्यादा तो लेट नहीं हुआ ट्रेन, बस 15 मिनट ही लेट हुआ। सो के चलता है। इधर से हम लोगों को किधर जाना है?
घूम होके माने भंजन।
घूम होके हम लोग माने भंजन जाएंगे। अभी ड्राइवर आ चुके हैं।
चलिए रास्ते पे मिलते हैं।
From the taxi stand, we need a car for Mani Bhanjan, which nearly 80 km from NJP station. Though you will get a share car for Darjeeling, Gangtok, etc., but Mani Bhanjan is not a tourist hotspot, so you need to reserve a car which will cost you near 3,000. We started our journey with a little bit of hesitation. What will happen next? Today is the election day in this region. Are we safe? These were the thoughts coming to our minds. We moved forward. After a few moments, we had a beautiful view of mountains standing in front of us, and the road leading to the green mountains cheered us a lot. "30 minutes later, we reached a beautiful city, Karshian. It's a beautiful city indeed. Once you are here, you can't turn around without loving this place. Though we didn't have time to visit this place, after clicking few pictures, we moved forward to our destination. Mesmerized by the beautiful sharp bend roads and a glimpse of the mountains, we led to one of the iconic places in West Bengal, Ghum Station. From here, the road turning to Mirik will lead us to our destination. Another road going to Darjeeling. Ghum is the highest altitude railway station, and it is famous for the toy train ride. Surely, we spent some special time in this iconic place. Time is still ticking. We need to reach our destination as soon as possible. Finally, we reached our destination. This is a beautiful town situated at the border of India and Nepal. It's a very interesting fact that half of the town is in India and the other half in Nepal. It's a rare thing. After taking lunch and bath, we decided to explore the place a little bit. Though we checked our patience level, also due to the election we couldn't manage the permission for Nepal until 6 o'clock evening. Once the election time was over, finally Indian Army allowed us to Nepal. After visiting this place, we had a chat with our guide. Tomorrow, we are starting our trek. Our first destination will be Tonglu. We had lots of anxiety in our heads because it was our first trek. We buried the anxiety in our dreams and prepared for the next day.